Hey guys, thanks for watching the Install Pros channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to install these colored vinyl decals on the emblems of your Tesla. If you're new to our channel, please make sure you check out the description of this video, as there'll be a link to this product. There'll also be a link to other products that we think are cool for Teslas. So check it out.
Okay, first start off by spraying your rag with the isopropyl alcohol and water, which can be found on one of our other videos, the mixture to that solution as well. Clean the area that you're going to apply the decal to with the isopropyl alcohol and water. There's a backing to your Tesla decal. Peel that off. You got clear transfer tape, so the T's facing that way, so you just come over and line up your decal. So it fits in the grooves there, and just take your finger and work it in the groove, and then these are really small stickers, so you're going to want to be real slow at pulling the backing off of it. It's a little piece. Okay, and then take your hand and work it down in there. Press it down in real good. You could also take a little heat if it was cold and warm it up. You can see that one, just a little skinny piece of vinyl there. Just work that in there. And there you go. And just wipe the chrome badge and make sure that it's clean and doesn't have any wax or, you know, fingerprints or oil from your hands, things like that on it, so that the decal sticks good. And this Tesla's red, so we've got a red piece of vinyl here. That's going to be our decal. So what you want to do is peel the backing off of it, like you saw me do there, the white backing. Just peel that off and set that aside. It's got clear transfer tape on it, and so you can see through it. And you just take it and you line it up with the badge like that. And I would always press through the middle first. Start through the middle and then go out to one side and out to the other. And then I would just put some pressure on it and rub it around with your thumb or your fingers there. And as you're pressing it down, you're also creating a little bit of heat from friction, and so that's going to activate the adhesive a little better and warm it up. And that's how to install the vinyl Tesla badge on your steering wheel. Just clean the emblem, make sure that it doesn't have any wax on it or oil, just kind of get it clean. And then take your decal and remove the backing, and then just, this is clear transfer tape, so just line it up. Press down through the middle. Grab the transfer tape, hold the vinyl down, and peel along like that. And there you go.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out our video. We hope that you found it helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As always, check out the description of this video, as you'll find a link to the product we installed. You'll also find a link to our giveaway, so make sure you check it out.